What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your username in Wild Rift. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. From your Wild Rift main menu, navigate to your settings. Tap on Account Settings. This will open up a new page on which you have to log in using your Riot Games account. In some cases, you will have to verify your login using a code which will be sent to your email address. After logging in, you will be able to find all of your profile information, which can be changed from here. Tap on Riot ID. This will allow you to enter a new Riot ID and tagline you wish to use. After changing your username, select Save Changes. When this is done, you will not be able to change your Riot ID or username for the following 30 days. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.